Good morning, it is 7:45 a.m. and we are setting foot on the northern coast of the island. We are not going to hike or cycle today, we are going to paddle. So it's kayaking through a whole new world of mangrove forest. This specifically is Sungei Khatib Bongsu. Look behind us, it is a world of rich biodiversity of plants and animals. And yes, this kayaking experience allows children as young as 4 years old, and Charlotte is with us and I'm sure she will love the experience. So follow through the whole video with us because I can assure you, you will want to do the same like us after watching this video.
I am kayaking!
We are here for a pit stop for some light snacks, and so remember to book your experience with Kayak Asia because it is the only operator that offers such an experience here. Slots are limited due to weather and tide changes. Wow, we take close to 5 hours to reach here. This is Sembawang Park. So Charlotte, how do you feel about everything?
Yay!
Alright, it seems like this is a really good and a good bonding for families to take the whole kayaking together. But it takes a lot of energy, so be prepared for it.
So if you want to see more videos, click on left to see 3 wheeling thoughts and click on right to subscribe to my channel. Bye!